If you've started studying for the Ontario Bar exam, you might be feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of paper you're going to have to keep track of during the open book exam. Between the LSO materials and your index, there's thousands and thousands of sheets of paper. Being organized is probably one of the best things you can do to help yourself on the exam day. Besides reading the materials and practicing how to use your index, the organization that you put into place before you enter that exam hall is going to dictate how much success you have on the exam and how well you can use the open book format to your advantage. Without organization, you're going to be scrambling through paper and wasting time on the exam rather than having your index and the open book materials be an advantage. So let's get organized. Being organized is broken into two steps. First, you're going to want to sort your materials. That's the LSO materials and the LexPD materials themselves. You'll sort them into individual bundles for each subject, and ideally you'll bind or at least staple those materials together so they are little bundles for each subject that you can quickly grab when you need them. The second thing you're going to do is tab your materials. You're going to create tabs to help you quickly flip to both the letters within the index and the relevant chapter numbers within the LSO materials. So putting those two steps together, you'll create a very neat and tidy couple of bundles for yourself to use during the exam. The first example here is how I would tab the LSO materials themselves. See along the right hand side I have a tab for each chapter number in the professional responsibility materials, which we're using as the example here. I don't recommend using more than just the chapter numbers as tabs. Anything more than that tends to be a little bit too confusing. You're going to have way too many tabs and it's going to make it very hard to actually make the tabs useful for you. For the index itself, you're going to create a tab for each letter that is present in that index. Not every index is going to have A through Z. Sometimes Z, for instance, terms aren't present, so you'll have the letters that are most relevant to that particular subject. And the LexPD materials are designed to be tabbed. If you print them double-sided, every new letter will start on its own odd page, which makes tabbing super easy for you. And you're going to do this for each subject, and you're going to have, like I said, a bundle for each subject for both the LSO materials and the LexPD index. You will then, let's say you're working on the professional responsibility question on the exam, you're going to grab your bundle for professional responsibility in the index, you're going to find the chapter and page number that contains the term you're looking for, and then you're going to grab your LSO bundle for the professional responsibility materials, and you're going to flip to that chapter number and then find the page number and hopefully find the term that you're looking for. So if you have everything organized in these tight little bundles that are properly tabbed and easy to navigate, it really speeds up your ability to use the index and then find that in the materials when you need to on the exam. We hope you found this video useful. If you're looking for more help on how to use your index more efficiently, check out some of the other videos on our YouTube channel for that. And if you have any questions at all, please feel free to get in touch with us. We also host courses that teach you how to use your index more efficiently, how to manage your time on the exam, and you can find all of those on our website at lexpd.ca. Until next time.